How to change the year on Google Earth. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change the year on Google Earth. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Google Earth on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the bottom menu and simply you need to swipe up. Tap more icon at bottom right corner of the screen and find layers. If you don't find it here, select the top right corner layers icon directly and then you'll reach on this layer section where in the screen you can see the uh, time lapse. Simply you need to toggle the button on and after that you will see the variation of dates. You can go to the date you want and you can change the date to the year you want. Currently you can view a global time-lapse video of the planet from 1984 to today. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.